One of the key features is lifecycle policies. These allow you to automatically transition your data to different storage classes based on its age or usage, helping you save costs. Then we have cross-region replication, which ensures that your data is copied to another region. This is vital for disaster recovery, as it protects your data from regional failures. Lastly, there's MRAP, or multi-region access points, which simplifies how you access your data across multiple regions, enhancing performance and availability. Think of it like a safety net for your data, ensuring it's not only stored efficiently, but also protected and accessible when you need it. In summary, these features of Amazon S3 help you manage large amounts of data effectively, while keeping costs down and ensuring compliance. S3 lifecycle policies are powerful tools that allow you to automate the transition of objects between different storage classes. For instance, you can move data from S3 standard storage to S3 infrequent access, or even to Glacier for long-term archival. This means that as your data ages or becomes less frequently accessed, you can set up rules to automatically change its storage class, which can save you money. Additionally, these policies can also schedule the automatic deletion of objects after a certain period, helping you manage your storage costs effectively. Think of it like a library. When books are new, they are prominently displayed, but as they age and are checked out less frequently, they can be moved to a less visible section, or even removed if they are no longer needed. In summary, understanding S3 lifecycle policies is crucial for efficient data management in cloud storage. Now let's discuss MRAP, which stands for Multi-Region Access Points. MRAP simplifies global access to your data. It allows you to access buckets located in multiple regions through a single access point. This means you can reduce latency and improve availability for users around the world. Imagine you have a library with books in different locations. Instead of going to each location to find a book, you can just go to one central desk that helps you access all the books you need. In summary, CRR and MRAP work together to enhance data availability and accessibility across different regions, making your data management more efficient and reliable. In this setup, we have a primary S3 bucket that stores our data. Through a process called cross-region replication, or CRR, this data is automatically copied to a secondary region. This ensures that even if there's an issue in one region, our data remains safe and accessible from another location. Additionally, we have a mechanism called MRAP, which stands for Multi-Region Access Points. This allows global clients to access the data efficiently, regardless of where they are located. Think of it like having a library in one city, but also having copies of all the books in libraries around the world. This way, no matter where you are, you can easily get the information you need without delay. To summarize, understanding lifecycle cost optimization, CRR compliance, and ensuring high availability through MRAP is crucial for effective data management in this architecture. Next, we will configure cross-region replication, or CRR, which allows us to replicate our data to a secondary region. This is crucial for disaster recovery and ensuring data availability. Finally, we will create a multi-region access point, which will allow us to serve multiple region buckets through a single global access point. Think of it like having a central hub that connects different storage locations, making it easier to access our data from anywhere. In summary, we will create an S3 bucket, set lifecycle rules, configure CRR, and establish a multi-region access point to enhance our data management. Lifecycle rules are designed to automatically manage objects within your storage. This means that these rules will help in organizing and transitioning data as it ages. For instance, they can automatically move older data to cheaper storage options, or even delete it when it's no longer needed. Additionally, CRR, or cross-region replication, ensures that your data is replicated across different regions. This is crucial for disaster recovery and data availability. MRAP, or Multi-Region Access Points, helps in efficiently handling global requests, making sure that users can access data quickly, no matter where they are located. When validating these processes, it's essential to monitor S3 metrics and replication status. This helps in ensuring that everything is functioning as expected. However, candidates often confuse lifecycle and replication policies, misconfiguring MRAP access, or overlook cross-region costs. In summary, understanding these concepts is vital for effective data management in cloud environments. First, let's break down these concepts. Lifecycle rules help manage your data by automatically transitioning it to cheaper storage classes or deleting it when it's no longer needed. This is crucial for cost management and data retention. CRR, or cross-region replication, ensures that your data is replicated across different regions. This is important for compliance and disaster recovery, as it protects your data from regional failures. Lastly, MRAP, or Multi-Region Access Points, allows for low-latency access to your data globally, making it easier for users around the world to access your information quickly. To really harness the advanced potential of S3, remember that it's the combination of lifecycle management, replication, and MRAP that makes it powerful. So, keep this trio in mind as you prepare for your exam. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what advanced AWS topic you'd like to explore next.